Hello, welcome aboard. Please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chef Ingrid Alliance Constant. And today in the kitchen, we are going to be making the Asian patties dough recipe. It's easy, simple. You don't have to complicate it, okay? I'm washing my hands to make sure that everything is clean around. Please go ahead and invite one of your friends or family to subscribe also to this channel. In this recipe, we're gonna use flour, water, salt, baking powder. It's optional. You might not want to use it. Oil. The oil is gonna give a little bit of texture and moisture to the dough, which is good. But you can also try not to add it to it. So this recipe is the basic dough recipe in our cuisine. Again, it's an authentic Asian recipe. Please follow through and then you will see all the steps easy, simply. You don't have to be stressed about it. Please, once again, follow the YouTube channel so you can see all the beautiful recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you on this channel here. Flour, yes. Salt, and we are going to dissolve the salt into the water. Yes, everything is measured. Easy recipe. You can make it at home for your family. You can even use this recipe for your own business, okay? Easy, simply, and it's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna make a hole, yes, so I can pour the liquid into it. I'll put the oil first, then I'm gonna add the salted water to it. Please follow through. And then we're gonna start mixing. Simply, easy. You can make your own patties at home. How cool is that? This is the texture before making the ball. We are making the ball right now. Easy recipe. I'll let you watch the video without any noise so you can see everything through. And now it's time to let the dough rest. It's up to you. You can let it rest for 15 minutes or 30 minutes. All right? Look at that. Look at the texture. Very nice, nicely made. And after that, I am going to portion the dough. Yes, follow through. And please invite one of your friends or family to subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any other recipe. Nicely portioned. This is half of the recipe, all right? The recipe is available on my website, www. If you want to purchase it. It's in Creole, in English. All right, how cool is that? You can even use this recipe at home with your kids, all right? It's gonna be fun. They're gonna like it. They are going to love that session of cooking with you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.